Today, I'm going to teach you how to make bakery donuts. This recipe is perfect for breakfast. It's quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. Look how soft and fluffy it is. Let's start our recipe by adding 3 tablespoons of sugar to the bowl. Then we'll add 10 grams of dry yeast. Next, we'll add a cup of warm milk. Remember that my cup is 240 grams. Once done, mix everything very well to hydrate the yeast. Then add a tablespoon of vanilla oil, 2 eggs, and mix. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix. Then we're going to add 3½ cups of wheat flour. Add the wheat flour little by little and keep mixing. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below telling us which city or country you're watching us from. I want to send you a big hug, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now, transfer the dough to the table and knead it for 10 minutes. This is the ideal point for our dough. Look how soft it is. Now take the bowl, add a little wheat flour to the bottom, add the dough, and let it rest for 30 minutes. After the dough has doubled in size, remove the air from the dough and transfer it to the table. Before placing the dough on the table, sprinkle a little wheat flour so it doesn't stick. Now we are going to roll out this dough to the thickness of a finger. Not too thick and not too thin. Now we are going to need a pastry cutter. The one I am using is 9 centimeters in diameter. Cut it like you see. Now use a pastry tip to remove the middle part like this, and look how perfect it is. If possible, let the donuts rest for 10 minutes before frying. Then add the donuts to hot oil and let them fry. After frying one side, turn them over to fry the other side. And look how perfect, wonderful they are turning out. If you like recipes like this, save it so you don't lose it. And remember, if you're going to make it to sell and want to make a larger quantity, just double the ingredients. And our little face is ready. Now just take it out and place it on a plate with paper towels. And look how much it makes. You won't be going to the bakery anymore after this recipe. And our recipe is ready. Look how wonderful it is. If you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. Now just roll everything in sugar and then serve. If you prefer, you can dip it in chocolate and add sprinkles and it will be perfect. I really hope you liked it. Now I'm going to leave it here. A big hug, and until the next recipe.